Hello, this is Vasya from New York, and today we are going to make homemade protein chocolate. It's very easy to make, very fast, and it's turned out very tasty. I really like this recipe because of its easy of preparation. I took 1 part cocoa and 3 parts coconut oil. The recipe will be under the description on the video. You can see it's first coconut oil, then I take cocoa, third I take protein, chocolate protein, because I like it, and then I will take sweetener. Just how do you like it? I like more, like this. It's really very easy to prepare. I heated coconut oil in a water bath. The chocolate will have a pleasant coconut taste. Really, it's very tasty. I have grams shown on the scales. I also took a silicone mold. Price was $10 on eBay. 3 silicone, it was very cheap. Now I'm heating oil in a water bath. It's easy and very quickly, you can see now. Be careful, your kitchen will be very dirty. All will be on chocolate. Taste will be like dark chocolate, but it's very tasty and very healthy. It's not diet recipe because inside too much coconut oil, but I like it. I don't eat that every day because it's too much calories, but it's so tasty, I so like it, really. Then put the silicone mold in the refrigerator. It's very quickly, really 15 minutes or 10 minutes, yeah. In the end I took a mix of nuts when oil still liquid. I think you can take the coffee for a different flavor and it will be tasty too. Please be careful when you cooking that because oil is hot, really. And a little secret, I take salt nuts. It's very tasty and interesting taste. I was surprised, really. If you try this recipe, please write your opinion. It's very interesting to me. What do you think about this chocolate? It's not diet chocolate, but it's so tasty and very healthy. I took organic coconut oil and cocoa, just cocoa. I don't know it's organic or no. What do you think? I like it. I like this recipe. It's prepared very quickly, very tasty. Now you can see coconut oil. Yeah, it's white, it's coconut oil. And excuse me for my Russian accent. I try to learn English. I tried this chocolate. It's so tasty. Oh my god. Really? I'm not joke. It's so nice and it's so healthy. Oh, I think it will be good to keto diet. Does it correct? Keto diet. Because they don't have carbs in this recipe. It was Vasily from New York. Thank you. Bye bye.